Alright everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be heading to KCJ's HQ's house. His bike's been having issues for a long time. He replaced the car, still having issues, so he thinks he fixed it now. So I'm heading over there because I'm bored at home. So I'm heading over there, going to help him out with it. He doesn't really need my help probably, but I'm just bored, so yeah, so we're going to go ahead and over and do that. I just cleaned this ZX6R with my new detailing supplies because I'm starting a little detailing business. So yeah, we're about to merge up on the freeway and hit the freeway all the way going to his house. So should be pretty fun. So we're gonna head to his place and to see what's up. I'm probably gonna end up playing some music so I'm not super bored. I'm listening to wind noise the entire time because it's boring. It's not that much. I mean, it's not boring, but it's not that fun, you know, listening to it with no music. So we're just gonna be straight cruising and bruising and getting over there. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's go out and comment, and I'll get back to you guys once we get to his house. But just enjoy this little cruise to KCJ HQ's house. Let's get it. That shit stinks. All right. Wanna play? I'll play. I ain't afraid to play, buddy. Let's go. Oh fuck, my balls! Holy fuck! Oh, that was a bump. Oh, that smacked the fuck out of my ball sack. Oh, that fucking hurts. Oh, fuck. Stinks like shit. I need me some of this wind, baby. Haha, baby.
Help me out. And it's been a while since I've been able. Oh shit! Oh! Motherfucker just went zoom. My balls fucking hurt. Oh shit. Oh god damn it. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh god. These roads are fucked up.
Oh shit. Too low? I'm turning up.